Yeah, it's actually kind of strange. I actually worked in advertising. The place I worked was closing, and my sister called and she told me about a position here. I didn't plan on working in manufacturing, but then of course I made the change. It couldn't have been a better decision. I'm the plant supervisor at the Augusta, Georgia facility. We make calcium nitrate. It's a corrosion inhibitor that goes into concrete. I handle the logistics here, coordinate the GCAP projects, coordinate the maintenance. I mean, pretty much we run 24/7, so there's not like a production schedule, but I make sure we have the raw material here. One of my favorite things to do is the logistics. I love doing the 5S. If you said I could tell you like cleaning, I do. I love the 5S. I love the before and after. The guys take pride in it also. It's not just me. It's not me out there, oh, clean. No, the guys do also. EH&S, environment, safety, the people. That's the #1 priority. I do take time to do these though. That's a priority. I can remember when I started, my manager would say, I'm going to teach you something new every day. But I learned it. I mean, when I set my mind to, I'm hard-headed, and I mean, I am. I'm going to get it done. But I enjoy that. I don't like doing just one job all day. I enjoy doing multiple things. I like multitasking. Is it a challenge sometimes? Yes, but I had support. I've worked with a great bunch of people. You know, there may be a hiccup at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and they have to make a decision. They can't just call Tara and say, hey, what am I supposed to do? You have to trust them. I believe you should empower your employees. They've, of course, empowered me. It's really been a great experience. The longer you're in a position like this, I think the more confident you get. And I think you grow, I think you learn every year. When I left advertising, I was scared. I'm so glad I made that change. I look back and think, whew, I'm glad I made that change. The manager that I interviewed with, I told him, I said, I'll tell you, I'm not one to jump from job to job. I said, so my hope would be that I would actually retire here. So I think that's going to happen. I believe I'm on that track now. My name is Tara Brandon, and I'm a manufacturer.